Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and proof of ownership. This matters because many recovery operations require elevated permissions. Once confirmed, locate the existing recovery key file or key ID and write down the exact file name so you don't confuse keys. Make a quick backup of critical files to separate media. This prevents data loss if rekeying triggers recovery mode. Finally, keep a charged device and stable network connection ready. Interruptions will complicate the next steps. You now verify system time, firmware, and key metadata match expected values because mismatches often break key validation. Next, use the vendor-recommended tools to inspect and, if needed, decrypt the recovery metadata so you can re-sign or regenerate the key bond. Run the documented command sequence step by step, check each return code, and log outcomes. If a command fails, stop and note the error. Once commands succeed, re-encrypt or store the repaired recovery key in your secure vault. You finish by testing the repaired recovery key with a controlled recovery simulation so you confirm it actually unlocks the target system. After a successful test, store the new key in multiple secure, offline locations and update your key inventory records. This prevents repeat loss. If anything goes wrong, capture detailed logs and error codes, revert to your backup state, and escalate to vendor support with those artifacts. That single troubleshooting tip, collect precise logs, will speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.